Hi friends, welcome to Decor Catalog. In this video, we will explore a variety of stylish and functional gate designs that can enhance the curb appeal of your home. From sleek and minimalistic designs to intricate patterns and smart technology integrations, we have got something for every taste and preferences. Whether you are looking to upgrade your existing gate or planning for a new installation, these ideas will inspire you to create a stunning entrance that sets the tone for your entire property. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Let me give you an overview of current trends in gate design. Number 1. Minimalistic designs. They are clean lines and simple forms, focus on functionality and elegance. Use of neutral colors like black, white, and gray. Number 2. Smart technology integration. They are gates with built-in security cameras, remote control, and automated opening closing. Integration with home automation systems for seamless operation. Number 3. Mixed materials. Combination of different materials such as wood and metal, blending traditional and contemporary elements, use of glass panels for a modern touch. Number 4. Eco-friendly and sustainable designs. Use of recycled or sustainable materials, designs that incorporate greenery like vertical gardens or planters, solar-powered gates, or energy efficiency. Number 5. Customization and personalization. Personalized motifs and patterns, custom colors and finishes to match the property's aesthetic, incorporation of family, crest, or initials for the unique touch. Number 6. Bold and architect statements. Gates as pieces of art with integrated designs and patterns. Use of bold colors and unique shapes to stand out. Artistic metalwork and craftsmanship. Number 7. Integrated lighting. LED lighting for both functionality and aesthetic. Lights that highlight the gate designs and enhance security. Solar power lighting options. Number 8. Vintage and retro designs. Revival of classic and vintage styles with a modern twist. Use of antique finishes and traditional patterns, blending old charms with modern functionality. Number 9. Privacy and security focused design. Solid gates that offer maximum privacy, high security features like reinforced materials and advanced locking system. Gates designed to enhance the overall security of the property. Number 10 and the last one is space-saving innovations. Sliding gates for properties with limited space, folding and telescopic gate designs, compact and efficient designs with comprising on style. Compact and efficient designs without compromising on style. Thanks for watching. We hope these modern main gate design ideas inspire you to create a stunning entrance for your home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips and ideas. Share your favorite designs or your own gate project in the comment below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.